Hi everyone, I got a package. I know, my husband bought me something and it's awesome. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. But first, I made a purchase at Joann's. This was the only one they had. And I had to get it because of Starlight Starbright, because she does an Eeyore event. And I am 99% sure this is Eeyore. Oh my gosh. That's Eeyore, right? Yes. He is adorable. This is your instructions. So I'm going to put those over there. Oh, he's so cute. Look how small he is. This will be great for Star's event. Look how big he looks on the camera, though. And he has 6 colors, no special drills. But you know, with me, he will have special drills. And here's your, it's a nice little toolkit. That's a nice thing of wax there. Baggies, squishy. Hello, Mr. Pampered.
Hello.
He's doing yard work because Mrs. Pampered doesn't do yard work. That's our agreement. So, 1,
If
2.
I put this on there, I could blow your.
You can't. Hold on. They can't see it.
I could mess your diamonds up if I.
You could. Not right now though, because they're all in packages. He's so cute, isn't he? He's hilarious. So here are the colors. Let's go with this one. And this is a pink that almost looks like a sand color there. So I'll try to talk a little louder because he's doing yard work. No special drills in here, but there will be. Yes, indeedy, they will be. So what should I bling up? I'm thinking maybe his hair and the perimeter. Just the outer edge and his hair. What do you think? You guys should let me know in the comments what you think I should bling up on my Eeyore. He is 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches, and he is adorable. And I'm all set for Starlight Starbright 70s event. I don't know when it is, but I know I'm all set. That's all I know. And that's the important part, is that I am ready to go. Right? Right. Okay. Put that. Struggles. The struggles. So I have her Eeyore all set to go. I'm so excited. I like it when I have canvases already good to go, and because, like I've said, my purchases are going to kind of slow down a little bit. I'm going to utilize my collection. And there'll be unboxings of stuff I already have. But they'll be refresher because I will have learned things since the first time I've unboxed them. And I will be able to show you different things that I did not know when I first did it. So this is Eeyore. What did I get? I don't know. He bought me some. It's got to be clothes because he did ask me my size. Okay. It's a shirt. Uh-oh. What kind of shirt? Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. Do you see my shirt? My new shirt? Collecting and completing diamond paintings are two separate hobbies. Yes, they are. So if you are a diamond painter, I'm sure you're also a collector of diamond paintings. I love it. He did good. What do you think? He did good. He did really good. I love it. You're going to see me wearing it probably in the next video because I'll probably wear it for every video that I make from here on out because I like it. Yeah. So that is my video today. Short, sweet, to the point. And that's all I got for right now. Until next time, remember to always be kind.